So, you want to own a rental property? My name is Garret Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management. Today we're going to be discussing midnight maintenance phone calls. Picture this. It's Friday, it's been a long week at work, and you're looking forward to going away camping with your family. It's 1 o'clock a.m., you've just put out that campfire and settled in for the night, and your phone rings. Your tenant is calling in a panic because they have no hot water, or half the power in the house is out. You look up at the stars. Did I mention how great those stars look when you're camping? And you say a few words you don't want your kids to hear. And now you have a dilemma. And what do you do now? Do you drive back to the city? Do you Google a bunch of contractors at 1 a.m. assuming you have data service where you're camping? Or maybe you have a great property manager like Upper Edge and you're only getting a notification that we're attending to an emergency. I know that's a shameless plug. But in all seriousness, if you're like 75% of the rental property owners out there that are self-managing, what do? Emergencies, although you never know when they're going to occur, are still preventable or at least controllable. Let me give you a few tips. Number one, make sure your core systems in your property are in good repair and serviced on a regular basis. This means make sure you clean and have your furnace serviced before the heating season begins, and make sure you have the air conditioning serviced before the summer heat is here. Is your hot water tank past its life expectancy? Change it. You're going to have to change it at some point. Why wait until 1 a.m. on a Friday night where you're going to have to pay overtime and a premium, not to mention the water damage that occurs when a hot water tank begins leaking? My point here, if your core systems are maintained regularly, you're reducing the odds of a midnight maintenance emergency. Number two, make some good relationships with contractors of these core property systems. HVAC companies, plumbers, electricians, even a good insurance contractor. If you have a sewer backup or a fire, an insurance contractor can go in, mitigate your loss by removing waterlogged drywall, carpet, and install air-moving fans and dehumidifiers. Then your insurance company can come in immediately after. By making these relationships ahead of time, you can ask them what happens if you need to call them at 1 a.m. on a Friday night. Get their emergency phone numbers, put them into your phone along with a note of their hours and the person you need to speak with. Number three, do you have a lot of properties and are frequently out of touch, traveling, or simply don't want to be woken up with an emergency? Hire a call center or virtual assistant. Give them a list of your emergency contractors and permission for them to automatically dispatch those contractors in the event certain emergencies present themselves. And then enjoy the rest of your evening. Thanks for watching.